Today, I'm showing you Wispr Flow's hands-free mode on Windows so you can dictate full emails and messages without holding any keys down. Let's jump right in. First, click into whatever you're writing in, an email, a Slack message, a Word doc, anything with a cursor. I've got mine in this Gmail. Now, instead of holding a key, I press Ctrl, Windows, and Spacebar together. That's the default hands-free shortcut. You can also just click the flow bar in the middle of your screen if that's easier to remember. You'll hear a quick ping, or you'll see those white bars moving on the flow bar. That's your cue it's listening. Hands are totally free now. Hey Sarah, just following up on the proposal we sent last week. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to jump on a call this week. See that? Full sentences, no typing, hands off the keyboard the whole time. When I'm done, I press that same shortcut again, or click the red stop icon on the flow bar, and it pastes right in, fully punctuated. Quick heads up, just clicking the flow bar itself won't stop it in hands-free mode. You need the shortcut or that red icon. 0 hands on the keyboard. That's hands-free mode in Wispr Flow, perfect for email, Slack, anything where you'd rather talk than type. Try it out at your desk today.